Hello everyone, and welcome to another video. This is actually a review from something I've had for 6 years. So this is the Evelina D'Amore Black Friday collection purse or wallet, the larger wallet, as you can see here. There's my hand next to it, so just holding it. I got the version with the red interior. You can get 4 different colors. I think it's green, red, purple and black. And when I bought it, it was much more expensive than it is now. I'm sure it was, but it's now about £33 plus postage. It comes from Australia, I think. Evelina D'Amore is in Australia. But anyway, I wanted to review the purse because I hadn't realized I have had it for 6 years. Now there is some scuffing, as you can see with on the vinyl, and there's a bit of wear in the velvet here, and there's a bit of wear here, but there's all my cards. All right, there we go. But it actually, and there's the Black Friday details. It actually is a really good purse. It's lasted really well. What I did do though is I found that the crucifix that is on the end of this zip caught on bloody everything. So I actually tucked it in, and now I can't untuck it, to be honest, but it's in there somewhere. You can see the ring where it is, but I just have it because I never use this zip packet. I use everything else, but I'm really surprised at how good an actual purse it's been. So it's been really worth the money. I'm sure I paid something more like £50 or £60 when I first bought it, but which was like, ooh, that's a lot of money. But I've had it for 6 years, so it cost me what, £10? So £10 a year. That's really good. I think that's worth it. That's the thing. I guess these independent marketers, they make things that might be more expensive, but they're really the sort of price you should be paying for them. So anyway, that's all. I just wanted to say that I've had it. I'm still using it. I really like it. I'm debating whether I buy a new one so that I've got a replacement when this one dies, because it's really handy. It's got so many spaces for things and stuff. So anyway, that was just it. Just a little review. I recommend it. I'm not sure if there's anything else out there like this specifically, but I really love it. So anyway, everyone, have a lovely week, and I'll see you all again next time. Bye.